In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export order history in GoDaddy. Whether you're organizing receipts for bookkeeping, sharing a purchase with your team, or keeping a backup for tax season. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type the word GoDaddy, then select the official GoDaddy website from the results. Double-check the address bar to make sure you're on the legitimate site before you continue. You should see the secure padlock and the proper domain. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account with your usual credentials. After you're logged in, look to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile or username. That opens a quick menu that leads to the key settings we'll need for accessing past receipts and purchases. In that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the central area for managing your profile, billing, and purchase records. The layout can shift slightly over time, but the option we need will always live in this account section. So if your screen looks a little different, you're still in the right place. On the Settings page, find and open Order History. Here you'll see a timeline of transactions linked to your account, typically organized by date, amount, and product. It's a good moment to scan the list and confirm you're viewing the correct time frame, especially if you manage multiple products or renewals. Next, click the specific order you want to export. Opening the order reveals its detailed receipt, including items, pricing, taxes, and payment method information. Take a quick look to confirm everything is accurate. Exporting the right order now saves time later when you import or reconcile the file in your accounting tools. With the order details open, choose Export to CSV. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format that works with Excel, Google Sheets, and most accounting apps. Your browser will download the file to your default folder, so note where it saves and keep it in a secure location. And that's it. You've navigated from the GoDaddy homepage to Account Settings, opened Order History, selected the order you needed, and exported it as a CSV. If you have multiple purchases to share or archive, just repeat the same process for each order. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.